Hello, good morning to everyone. Today in this video, I'll tell you how you can convert .AAC audio file to .wav or .mp3. See here, I have a practical requirement light. I need to use this in my Audacity, this .AAC file. When I try to import, it is saying like incorrect file type. So I can convert to .wav or AIFF. So what I'll do is I'll be using this VLC Media Player. Then I'll be clicking on this media, and this works without internet. Okay, that is the good thing. No need to use any browser, or we need to upload our audio to the websites or something. For safety and security reasons, few people don't like to upload our audio to the websites. For them, this will be useful. Click on convert and save, then add your required file, this Omni, okay, and click on convert and save, and make sure you check this convert here and click on this drop down. If you want MP3, you can select MP3, or you can click even this settings wrench icon and you can choose whatever the format you want. If you want MP3, click on save. If you want .wav, click on save, click on start, and immediately that's get converted. So you need to go to the file location only where exactly it is available, because that is going to be saved here only. Okay, in this you can see here .wav. okay, when you just keep the cursor here, you will see, or else we'll try it with the MP3 also. Okay, and I'll be just using this append converted here, and MP3 would be fine for me, and click on save and click on start now. So Omni converted. Yes. Okay, this is how you can convert. See here, this is MP3 file. Yeah, if you do have any other question, you can just ask in the comments, and thanks for watching.